In this week's van hack, we're going to talk about window covers and how you can make an entire set for your van for less than $100 with some duct tape, magnets, and Reflectix. To complete this project, you only need a few things: some magnets, a roll of duct tape, a marker, some good scissors, and probably a ruler to keep straight lines. So when you're making these templates, you just want to get a big giant piece of cardboard and put it against the window. You can pick a straight edge to start with and then start going around and just marking with a pen or a pencil, in my case a Sharpie marker. So you indicate where you want to cut and then just cut little pieces at a time. So starting in one corner and working your way around. Once you've got the shape of one corner and you start to hold it in place and work the rest of the way, it's pretty easy. On a window that's fixed like this, you can look through from the back side, or you can just look across from the front in order to mark your lines. On the front windows, you can actually just roll the window down and use that as a way to kind of indicate where the lines will be and where you can cut the cardboard. So that's the side window template done. So I'll trace this on the Reflectix and cut it out, and then work on getting the magnets attached. So once you have your templates made, you take it to your Reflectix, trace it out and cut them out, and then we move on to the next step. So the next step is tracing out your template onto the Reflectix, and then you can cut it out. You want to try to maximize the amount of Reflectix you get out of this. So taking advantage of anything where you can move the template in will help save some material. To make the tabs, you'll want to get about a 5-inch piece of duct tape. You want to cut it with scissors so that you don't have any torn edges. Then you want to get your magnets. On ours, they're pretty small, so I'm using 2, and it kind of creates a little bit of a rectangle shape. So I put them side by side, and you want to put it right in the middle of your tape. That way when you fold it over, it creates a tab where the magnets are on the outer edge. So that way you can attach it to your foil with a good amount of the tape so it's really secure, and then fold the magnets in the seam and then move the rest of your tape in. That way you have a nice tab. Then you just need to do this on all of your pieces, on all of your points that you've marked on your template, so that when you are done, it'll hold itself in place inside the window frame itself. So there you have it. A couple hours of time, a little bit of Reflectix. You'll have a full set of covers for your van. It'll give you good privacy, block the sun, and then you can always come back around and put some Thinsulate and some fabric around these and turn these into more of a permanent solution.